Hey everyone, it's Martin Mi5 back for another video. Today's video is obviously about Nio stock, and we're going to check Nio's price today and also a few other things you guys should know. Now let's check its price and what it did. Let's see here. So it looks like we had an open of 514, 935 and went down to 505. Today we hit a low of $5. And we look about 5:18 and 11:45 a.m. and the high was 5:19, so pretty close around here, about 11:40 a.m. And you can see it started to sell off quite a bit there, down to 507, 505, got to a low of $5, like I had said previously. So let's take a look at this chart here, or this article. So this one here is called Nio Incorporated provides October 2024 delivery update. Nio delivered 20,976 vehicles in October 2024, marking a 30.5% year-over-year increase. The deliveries included 16,657 vehicles from Nio's premium Smart Start vehicle brand and 4,319 vehicles from its family-oriented Onvo brand. Year-to-date deliveries reached 170,257 vehicles, up 35.1% year-over-year, with cumulative deliveries totaling 619,851 as of October 31st, 2024. Onvo's network expansion includes 166 centers and spaces across 60 cities, with access to 584 Nio power swap stations in China. The Onvo L60 production and delivery are steadily increasing. So we're going to take a look at what they label as the positive 30.5 year-over-year increase in monthly deliveries, 35.1% year-over-year growth in year-to-date deliveries, successful ramp-up of Onvo L60 production and delivery, expanding infrastructure with 166 Onvo centers and 584 power swap stations. Negative. You can see they put none. There's no negative to Nio, according to this article. Shanghai, November 1st, 2024, Globe Newswire. Nio Incorporated, or the company, a pioneer, a leading company in the global smart electric vehicle market, today announced its October 2024 delivery results. The company delivered 20,976 vehicles in October 2024, representing an increase of 30.5% year-over-year. The deliveries consisted of 16,657 vehicles from the company's premium smart electric vehicle brand Nio and 4,319 vehicles from the company's family-oriented smart vehicle brand Onvo. Cumulative deliveries reached 619,851 as of October 31st, 2024. In October 2024, the production and delivery of the Onvo L60 have been steadily ramping up. As of October 31st, 2024, Onvo operated 166 Onvo centers and Onvo spaces across 60 cities, while also providing users with seamless access to 584 Nio power swap stations in China. Onvo will continue to expand its sales, service, power networks to serve a growing user base and drive long-term growth. About Nio. Nio Incorporated is a pioneer, leading company in the global smart electric vehicle market. I don't know why they had to use that long-term every time they talk about it. Founded in November 2014, Nio aspires to shape sustainable and brighter future with the mission of blue sky coming. Nio envisions itself as a user enterprise where innovative technology meets experience excellence. Nio designs, develops, manufactures, and sells smart vehicles, driving innovations in next-generation core technologies. Nio distinguishes itself through continuous technological breakthroughs and innovations, exceptional products and services, and community for shared growth. Nio provides premium smart electric vehicles under the Nio brand and the family-oriented smart electric vehicles through the Envo brand. So let's talk about the safe harbor statement. The press release contains statements that may constitute forward-looking statements pursuant of the safe harbor provisions of the U.S. Private Securities Litigation Reform Act of 1995. These forward-looking statements can be identified by terminology such as will, expects, anticipates, aims, future, intends, plans, believes, and estimates, likely to, and similar statements. Nio also may make written or oral forward-looking statements in its periodic reports to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in its annual report to shareholders, and announcements, circulars, or other publications made on websites of each of the releases, and the other written materials and oral form statements made by its officers, directors, employees, or third parties. Statements that are not historical facts, including statements about Nio's beliefs, plans, expectations, or forward-looking statements. Material from those contained in any other forward-looking statement, including to but not limited to the following Nio strategies: Nio sufficient quality to appeal to customers on a schedule and on a large scale, its ability to ensure and expand manufacturing capacities, including establishing and maintaining partnerships with third parties, his ability to provide convenient and comprehensive power solutions to his customers, viability, growth potential, prospects of his battery swapping BASS, Nio's assisted and intelligent driving and its subscription services, ability to improve technologies or develop alternative technologies and meeting evolving market demand, industry development. Nio's ability to satisfy and mandate safety standards relating to motor vehicles, his ability to secure supply of raw materials and other components used in his vehicles, its ability to secure sufficient reservations and sales of his vehicles, his ability to control costs associated with its operations, his abilities in its current and future brands, general economic and business conditions globally in China, and assumptions underlying or related to any of the foregoing. Jesus Christ, is such a long sentence. These people are crazy. Further information regarding these and other risks is included in Nio's filings with the SEC, and announcements and filings on the websites of each of the SEHK and SGX-ST. All information provided in the press release is of the date of this press release, and Nio does not undertake any obligation to update any forward-looking statement except as required under applicable law. Wow, that was really a lot to take in right there, wasn't it? So there you have it. I guess that wraps things up. So that's how Nio is currently performing, and I just gave you that information from that very long-winded article. Doesn't look like we're getting where we want as far as our price range. It's still hovering around the $5 range, getting very, very low again. Let's look at the 5-day chart. So Monday, October 28th, we're at $5.99, and it's continuing to downtrend. Now, are we going to see a V-shaped pattern here where it's going to downtrend and then shoot back up to, previous levels? Let's look at the month chart real quick. And it's been relatively flat, a flat descending pattern here. So Wednesday, October 2nd, we're at 721, or Nio was rather. I say we because we're all in this together, right? But we're going to have to wait and see what happens. I'm wondering if we're going to hit back in the $7 range before the end of December of this year, 2024. If you guys buy now at its current prices and it hits $7, that'd be a pretty good profit right there. But we can only speculate, right? So that's it for this particular video. Let me know how many shares you guys have, What's your average cost now? Did you sell any? Did you buy more? What trading platform are you using? Are you using Robinhood? Are you using Webull? Are you using SoFi app? TD Ameritrade, E-Trade? What are you using? I'm very curious to know. So that's it for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Click that notification bell so you guys will be notified of my daily uploads of Nio and also entrepreneurial videos that I provide. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.